In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to verify your email address on Discord. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the You page. You'll be directed to your profile page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Click on the option account. From here, you are able to verify your Discord email address. All you have to do is click on the option of email. Now you're going to get this kind of pop-up. Verify email. Click on the option send verification code. Now you'll be receiving verification code in the email address that is linked with your Discord account. So close this, go ahead and launch your Gmail app. You will receive mail from the Discord. Open that mail, copy the code, close this, paste the code over here, click on next. And that's it, your email has been verified. So this way you can easily verify your email address on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.